The best way to use protein to build muscle. Along with fat and carbohydrates, protein is one of the three nutrients that humans require in greater quantities in our diets. Protein is the building block of all bodily tissues, including muscle, skin, hair, and hormones, and neurotransmitters that are so vital to bodily communication. It is composed of lengthy chains of smaller components, known as amino acids, which the body uses as building blocks for the development and repair of muscles. There are a total of 20 amino acids, 9 of which are considered essential, meaning our bodies cannot produce them, and we must get them from our food. Over the course of our lives, protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, which is crucial for metabolic health, physical strength, mobility, and ultimately our independence. Additionally, muscle accounts for the majority of our energy expenditure at rest, burning calories. Let's join me to know more about protein. 1. How to get more muscle by eating protein. A person lifting weights frequently or preparing for a running or cycling event should consume 1.2 to 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, or 0.5 to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight in order to build muscle mass in addition to physical exercise. 2. Which protein works best for building muscle? According to studies, whey protein can help athletes recover from intense exercise, maintain and grow muscle mass, and boost muscle strength in response to strength training. 3. When is the ideal time to consume protein? The majority of the nutrients you consumed at your previous meal are already depleted by the time you get up in the morning. One of the best ways to regain your energy and start your day off well is to eat protein first thing in the morning. 4. Does protein promote faster muscle growth? Since protein makes up the structural components of muscle tissue, it is necessary for the synthesis of muscle. Eating enough food aids in muscle maintenance and growth and regeneration, particularly following resistance training. 5. What happens if you exercise but don't get enough protein? Loss of muscle tissue can result from lifting weights and engaging in strength training without sufficient nutrition, particularly in terms of protein. In addition, eating poorly will prevent you from having the energy necessary for the exercises that build muscle. 6. Do I need to consume protein shakes every day? Excessive protein consumption raises the risk of weight gain, renal impairment, and heart disease. It is therefore recommended to obtain the majority of your protein from dietary sources and, if necessary, to supplement with 1 or 2 protein drinks daily. 7. What are the signs of not having enough protein? A decline in the quality of your skin, hair, and nails could be the first indication that you aren't getting enough protein in your diet. A slower healing rate from cuts and injuries, an increased frequency of colds and infections, anemia, muscle weakness, and potential swelling in your hands, feet, and legs are further warning signs. Along with weariness, you can start to notice changes in your posture and body composition. 8. Who needs protein the most? Although protein is necessary for everyone's diet, individuals who engage in weight training or endurance sports may find it beneficial to consume more protein and include it into their exercise routine. Since protein makes up the structural components of muscle tissue, it is necessary for the synthesis of muscle. Eating enough food aids in muscle maintenance and growth and regeneration, particularly following resistance training. When sufficient amounts of dietary protein are paired with frequent resistance exercise sessions, muscle building is maximized. Please be advised that making any major dietary changes should be discussed with your doctor or a qualified dietitian to make sure there is no risk to your health. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.